Toiletry bags are either too small, too bulky, or just plain disorganized. After the success of Escpade 1.0 and 2.0, with over 20,000 bags sold in 30-plus countries, we're back with Escpade 3.0 in large and regular sizes.
Escpade 3.0 is secure, compact, organized, and super lightweight.
There's a dedicated space for everything. They were never short of space with an expandable 3-way zipper mesh pocket that opens up to give you full access. Extra large toiletries? No problem.
Don't worry about leaks with detachable TSA-friendly pockets.
We are thrilled to launch Escpade Tech Pack, your ultimate solution for organizing all your tech essentials. With dedicated pockets for power banks, chargers, SSDs, cables, AirPods, it keeps everything secure and easily accessible. Escpade Wallet keeps your essentials organized without the bulk, perfect for carrying everyday items. Everything you need in one compact, convenient place. Pack smarter, travel easier. Back us now and get your limited early bird.